74% of adults suffer from speech anxiety, according to the National Institute of Mental Health. That means that most people are not comfortable speaking in front of large audiences or in front of strangers. What's a simple way to stand out from your competitors? Become better at public speaking. And you can start by sounding more confident when you speak. How do you sound more confident? Avoid verbal vomit. If you're stammering over your words a lot, it's kind of distracting, to your audience. Let me try that again. If you stammer over your words a lot, it tends to distract your audience. Do you want to sound credible? Do you want to sound convincing? Do you want to avoid distracting your listeners? Then you'll want to hear this simple trick to help you avoid verbal vomit. It's simple. Just pause and think before you speak. Pause and think before you speak. Let the words percolate in your brain, simmer in your head before they come out of your mouth. When you pause and you think before you speak, you can avoid verbal vomit. So what else can you do to sound more confident when you speak? Avoid uptalk. When every word or sentence has a rising tone and it sounds like it's a question, obviously it depends on what industry you're in, but do you really sound credible when you speak like a valley girl? Just saying. Generally speaking, if you want to avoid distracting your audience and you want to sound credible to your listeners, you want to avoid uptalk. What else can you do to sound confident when you speak? Be authentic. Have a conversation. Speak as if you were speaking to your friends or your family at a restaurant, in your home, or at a bar. If you avoid verbal vomit, uptalk, and sounding like someone you're not, you'll instantly stand out from the crowd. And that makes a huge difference, no matter what business you're in. So get out there and speak with confidence.